In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dialogflow to Slack. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection between your Dialogflow agent and your Slack workspace. Start by heading to the Slack API console and choosing Create New App. When prompted, select from scratch, give your app a clear, memorable name, and pick the workspace where it will live. This keeps everything organized and ensures the app installs to the right place. Once the app is created, open Settings and Basic Information. Here you'll find important credentials, your client ID, client secret, and either a signing secret or a verification token, depending on your app's configuration. You'll need these in Dialogflow, so keep the page open. Treat these values as confidential and don't share them publicly. Now switch over to Dialogflow. Open your browser, search for Dialogflow, and click the official link. If you're prompted to sign in with your Google account, go ahead. Most users are logged in automatically. Inside your Dialogflow agent, look to the left sidebar, click Integrations, and select the Slack tile. A pop-up will appear asking for your Slack credentials. Paste the client ID and client secret from Slack, and then add the verification token. Some workspaces emphasize the signing secret, but Dialogflow will clearly indicate which value it expects. Double-check that you're copying from the correct Slack app to avoid mismatches. Next, copy the OAuth URL that Dialogflow provides. Jump back to the Slack app dashboard, open OAuth and permissions, click Add New Redirect URL, paste that OAuth URL, and save your changes right away. Saving here is crucial. Without it, Slack won't accept the redirect during authorization. Return to Dialogflow and copy the event request URL. In Slack, open Event Subscriptions, toggle Events On, and paste the URL into the request URL field. Wait for the green verified badge to appear. If verification takes a moment, give it a second. Slack is confirming that Dialogflow can receive events. Still in Event Subscriptions, scroll to Subscribe to Bot Events and add Message, and Message.Channels. These events let your bot receive direct messages and messages in public channels, which is essential for most conversational experiences. Finally, open Install App in the Slack sidebar and click Install to Workspace. Approve the prompts to authorize the app for your chosen workspace, and you're connected. That's it. You've linked Dialogflow to Slack, set the correct URLs, verified events, and installed your app so it can listen and respond inside Slack.